up your bumbo clock, now play with me. And if I the last alternative, you have to get shot, you get in. And if a big stone you forget, you go get in your bumbo wall. Me will chop up your bumbo clock. Now
When you hear that, my viewers, me have the rest of the video the phone to listen to. Me run a program on O'Neil Mitchell, you know. And me and you say the boy is a dangerous boy. Me and you say the boy is a general. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video, yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here I go on to them people. Ravage, dead with a matic pan in belly a St.Mary+, plus blind a lead blind. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
Protesters seemed confused about what exactly the protest was about and the functions of the FID.
You have a placard saying Dennis Chung and the FID. What do you know about the FID?
Well, I don't know. I don't know but you know, I'm here for a change.
He cannot lead the FID. He doesn't have the qualifications to lead the FID.
Why you say that? What do you understand about the agency itself?
I don't understand about the agency, but all I know is that the man only can account.
I know it was an organization that was formed to politicians to declare the assets true. Chung don't support it.
You sure that's the Integrity Commission though, not the FID. You just mentioned
601 after, I'm not sure, but that is it.
Why Chung must go?
Because he's not qualified.
Why do you say the agency is corrupt?
No, they don't investigate no crime. They investigating corruption.
My viewers, you know say a blind a lead blind. A bunch of PNP supporters there Heroes Circle say Dennis Chung must go. And when the news reporter asks them, so what the FID mean, none of them can tell the woman the meaning. The MP and the council them just throw the orange shirt them pan them and tell them if you go on a Heroes Circle and write up cardboard and everybody just out there turn up so like a big fool. My people, thank God say Google is free. And we now have to go buy no dictionary if you know the meaning. So to all of the PNP supporters, them when you know what the meaning, look on the screen, see the meaning, yeah. Financial Investigation Division. That FID mean. And my viewers, me no care about PNP or GLP, you know. For all who have follow me for years now, supposed to know that. Say me a one boy, where PNP and GLP can't buy me out. Cause me know say the whole of them are user. The whole of them no mean the people them no good. Me have to big up the young people them. Cause when me look out there, me see say the young people them run them. A be old foot them have a walk back at them. So big up the young people them. Them can't trick we. Dollars we want. Money we want in a bank account. You think you can come tell we no foolish and show orange or green shirt pan we and we run and go turn up in a sonat? So my viewers, tell me what you think about that. Bag of people are protest and them they even know where them are protest for. So no walk with me and now. I'm gonna make you listen to this again, you know. O'Neil Mitchell, aka Eiley. Him left the island, but me run a program on the boy. And me and you say the boy a dangerous boy. So now listen to this.
Up your bumbo clock, now play with me. And if I the last alternative, you have to get shot, you get in. And if a big stone you forget, you go get in your bumbo wall.
When you hear that, my viewers, when you hear what O'Neil Mitchell I say, aka Eiley, say from your ramp with him, a dirt settings. So my people, me run a program on O'Neil Mitchell at Clarendon, you know. And me and you say the boy a dangerous boy, you know. The boy a general, you know. So now listen to that one, yeah. The police them arrest 2 man and 1 woman at Clarendon. Them have it for say, them help O'Neil Mitchell. Them lure Derricka Rogers and Kara Garda spot there. Help O'Neil Mitchell delete the girl profile and see there. O'Neil Mitchell, aka Eiley, runway gone back America, gone live him good up life with him wife. So no see it, my viewers. Most of the man them wanna see a come down at Jamaica. A fun the man them a come at Jamaica for come have fun. See him like how enough woman where left from Canada, America and England. A fun them a come at Jamaica for come have. All of them have them life a foreign already. Who not married, don't have a partner already. So when you no see them come at Jamaica, just remember this in the back of the head. Most of them man are married man. Most of them man have them life. And them now go mash up for them life for Uno. So here you know my people, O'Neil Mitchell and Derricka, did in a problem. She a plan for left him. The boy never want she left. So what him do? Him plan for dirt her. And you see how that end up? So see it ya. Always talk to the man them on my channel. And make you know say brother, we bigger than this brother. You see me? We not have to do this to the people them pitney. Just invest in ourselves. Build ourselves. So when a woman decide to leave, come like nothing brother. Cause we never invest in her. We never build her. We never buy her a skyscraper and 10 plane. So when she ready for left, we go in our feelings. No. So see me my viewers. O'Neil Mitchell take the girl 3 pints and run gone. Him feel like the 2 man them and the 1 woman now go talk. Information I get leaked right now. And it no matter in which state you want the O'Neil Mitchell. Could have been New York, Florida, or North Dakota. You go get catch. Remember that. So my viewers, walk with me now. We see 36-year-old Ravan Somerville, a fisherman from Pineapple District of Wochi. I ride pan him bike with big matic pan him belly. And they even was a spot check there the Jacks Rivers main road at St. Mary. Him and police go get in a toss up. JCF have to fling him down and add him dopey to them name. So see it here brother. Give away you go give away your 3 pints. The way Jamaica run right now, spot check there everywhere. So you are ride pan bike with big matic pan belly and now open up your eye. Can bet say a party my left from and rum and high grade a beat in him head. Same Dave now focus till see it here. 3 pints gone. Some people stay safe out there. I go take away myself here now. I don't know my code. A life over that road. You see me?
Up your bum buckler, now play with me. And if I the last alternative you have to get shot, you get it. And if a big stone you forget, you go get it.